Big breath in and blow it out. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, good. Big breath in and close.
Oh, yeah.
So I have Philip here today. He's a local New York City guy, just like us here. And your business is not far away, right? How far away is your business?
One train stop, like a mile and a half.
A mile and a half, so that's really close.
Yeah.
I know what you do, but tell everybody what you do and how they can find you on TikTok.
I'm a hair replacement specialist. I specialize in making and installing hair toupees for men. Each application lasts a month, and you can find me on PhilDoesHair on TikTok and YouTube.
PhilDoesHair on TikTok and YouTube. We'll put it right here for everybody to see. So today, I mean, you work with your body. You get tight neck and shoulders.
Yeah.
You said also between your shoulder blades sometimes.
Yeah, I think just looking down, working all the time, it's just, this is probably where I carry a lot of stress, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna look at your whole neck, we're gonna check you head to toe today. Mm-hmm. And then you're thinking of maybe doing the craniofacial release?
Yeah,
okay.
I'm here for the experience.
All right, so we'll do the whole experience. And how about the Y strap or any of the pulling things? Is
Love
that
it.
okay?
Yeah.
Great, so we're gonna do everything today. Let's get cracking. All right, so we're starting up here on the shoulder blades, and he gets a little bit of an elevated shoulder blade on this one, right? It flares. You told me. I mean, I didn't find this. He told me it flares a little bit, and that's quite common. We see that a lot, and you can feel these tight muscles here, right? So usually you'll feel tight muscles on the edge of the shoulder blade, between the shoulder blade and the spine, and like here. Do you feel that one?
Oh yeah.
And it just cracked a little too. Did you feel it? Like a little pop. We weren't trying to pop it, but it's just releasing little spots. But I work with a lot of people that have their arms in the air when they work. So either hairstylists or people with makeup. We get a lot of TV and film people in New York, and that creates these knots up in here. Is it too strong, or do you like the pressure? Is okay?
Oh, give it to me.
All right, good. Here we go. I'm doing it. Ooh, right there's another spot. Here's your lower back. Your lower back feels pretty good though, right? It's not your biggest concern. But you can feel a few of these muscles when I'm down here, right? Turn your face left, then right. Let me know if it's tougher to turn one way or the other.
Feels like when I look left.
And point to the spot when you look left. Where does it feel tight? Is it lower neck? Yeah. So it's in there. Okay, good. Good that, not good that it hurts, but good that you showed me. So now lie on your back, kind of in there, right? And that's the base of his neck on the left. And then you also have base of the skull.
Yeah.
And right here it gets super tight.
I feel like anybody that's on their phone.
Yeah,
like writing.
Texting or looking into a monitor, and then, like you said, when you work, your arms are in the air, holding, doing your work. You said your business partner saw a couple of my videos on YouTube.
Yeah, we follow the Animal Cracker page too.
Oh, good. So if people haven't seen, I also have an animal channel called Animal Cracker, where I work on horses, dogs, pigs, chickens, cows, cats, rabbits, goats, geese, ducks, and you can see some chiropractic adjustments on that. That's totally different because it's animals. But it's fun because sometimes people find me through the animals and then they go, oh, I didn't know he works on humans. Or sometimes they find me through the humans and go, oh, I didn't know he works on animals. So here I am under the skull here. And I think I'm gonna do this first. So I'm gonna have you come sit up and sit up a little taller and tilt your head this way. Good, and come back to center. So now I'm gonna come around back here. Let your head tilt, big breath in, and blow it out. Wow, that was huge, wasn't it?
Yeah. Wow.
So that's to get that kind of this area around the back of your skull. Got that one too. How'd that feel?
Wow, really good.
All right, good. So now lie on your back piece. Good start though, right?
Oh yeah. I like the table that was moving. That felt really good too.
Yeah, that stretches your lower back as we work.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just good to run that in the background and just give some stretch and expansion of the lower back bones. And this is a great experience too. So the first thing we're going to do is just show you the stretch. So this is where the stretch comes, where you just feel the stretch of the neck. And then when we do the adjustment, we add a little bit of an impulse, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So big breath in. Here we're going to do one now. And blow it out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Where did you feel it the most?
In between my shoulder blades.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And that's where you get some tension from, you know, everything we talked about.
I heard it crack inside of my head.
Yeah.
Like I felt it more in between my shoulder blades, but it was a really unique popping sound in my head.
So now scoot down a little bit towards your feet.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good spot there. And I'm going to reach under and adjust into your shoulder blades.
Wow.
That's one in the middle, right?
Yeah.
There's another one. There's more. So now I'm going to have you lie on your side facing me. Oh, good.
That feels good.
Good. So come to the other side. There it goes.
Wow.
Okay, good. All right, so next, lie on your back. Those are good. So let's do the cranial facial release, okay?
Yeah.
When I place the balloon, I'm going to ask you to take a breath and hold. It looks like this. That's it. It's very simple, but I like to rehearse it because once we start, you're like, whoa, 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 what is this? So, so it's just, and close the lips. So let me put this behind your neck, and this is just to arch your neck over and have it be supported and comfortable. And then this is floppy. Did you see floppy in any videos?
Yeah, I know this is your daughter's.
Yeah, so it's a good thing to hold, and it gives your hands something to do, because your hands need to be busy with that. Once I place the balloon, you'll go, and close your lips. So here's the big breath in, and close your lips. You did it.
Wow.
What did you feel?
The balloon. It was.
Did it crack at all, or just separate?
Inside, I feel like it definitely opened things up for sure.
Sometimes there are little pops or little creaky noises.
Creaky, yeah, for sure.
Let's keep going, okay? So there's another one left on the right, and then you're done, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So here's the right side. Big breath in, and close.
Oh, yeah.
And that one was pretty fast too, right?
Yeah. And I definitely heard, I could even feel like the creaking in the back of my throat.
Yeah.
I felt good.
So come sit up and then take a breath, see what it feels like to breathe now. Should have a little more room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels more even on both sides.
More even on both sides. So that's excellent. That's good. Good to hear. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Where did you feel it the most?
In between my shoulder blades.
Perfect.
Yeah.